Hey guys, so I decided to make a quick video today to show you the exhaust on the Husqvarna 701. I've been getting some requests for exhaust sounds, exhaust clips. So I made a quick video of a cold start idling with some light revs, and then a hot start and some more revs. So I do a walkthrough of what exhaust I have, a few different clips and angles of what it sounds like, and let me know what you guys think. And remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll keep dropping new videos for you guys. Alright, without further ado, let's get straight to it.